Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be making my own lip gloss. The first thing you need is gloves. The next thing you need is TKB gloss base. Then you need Healthworks coconut oil. And then next thing you need is Eden Samuel's vitamin E oil. And then you need Wendy's intern sparklings. The next thing you need is syringes. Then you'll need a bowl and something to mix with. Then you'll need plastic transfer pipe grease. And then you will need lip gloss containers. So let's get started.
Oh yeah, baby.
Okay guys, now that I'm done mixing, I'm going to put the glitter in and then I'm going to put the lip gloss into the lip gloss container. Okay. Okay, that's look like a good amount. Wait, let me add a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it up. And I use silver glitter. Okay, now I'm gonna start putting the lip gloss into the container. Mom. Okay, now that I got that open, guys, this is so exciting. Hold on, let me mix it up just a little bit more. This looks really pretty, you guys. I'm excited about trying it out. Oh yeah, that's good enough. Hey guys, we have the finishing product and all the stuff that we use. So I'm going to try it out. It's very soft and moisturizing. Now it's time to say goodbye. Bye guys.